Today we're going to make one of my favorite Middle Eastern condiments, and that's Toum. So Toum is that thing you have in a shawarma or doner, you know, the garlicky, fluffy mayonnaise kind of thing. Well, surprise, surprise, it's a vegan condiment. It's made from garlic, oil, lime, and a little salt. That's it. The first step is to slice the garlic and remove the shoots. So you see this part here, the shoot, we don't want that, so we're going to discard that. The reason we don't keep the shoot is because what we're doing is we're going to emulsify this with the oil, and the shoot tends to hamper the emulsification process. Besides that, the shoot also gives a slightly bitterish taste to the garlic, so we just don't want that. Just add the salt and lime juice to the garlic. We're going to use the high setting of the blender. We're going to do a rough blend till we get some kind of a paste going. Paste going on there, so I'm going to add the oil in. I would avoid using olive oil just because olive oil has its own flavor and it doesn't really taste very good once you mix it in with the garlic and the lime juice. It's not a great condiment to use, maybe good for cooking but not for a condiment. And now what you want to do is, again, it's on a high setting, and you start at the very bottom. Just start slowly incorporate the oil by lifting the mixer a bit. You can see here. Nice fluffy Toum.